The roar of an engine, the open road, the feeling of absolute freedom. Motorcycling is an unparalleled experience that captures the hearts of millions. It's a passion, a lifestyle, and for many, a deeply personal connection to the journey itself. However, with this incredible freedom comes immense responsibility, and certain actions can transform a thrilling ride into a life-altering nightmare in mere seconds. Today, we're diving deep into the critical mistakes that riders, both new and experienced, often make. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or just starting your journey on two wheels, understanding and avoiding these 5 critical errors is paramount to your safety and the longevity of your riding career. These aren't just tips, they are foundational principles of responsible motorcycling that every rider must internalize. Ignoring them can have devastating consequences, not just for you, but for those who share the road. We're going to explore each mistake, why it's so dangerous, and what you absolutely must do instead. Our first crucial mistake, and perhaps the most common, is riding without proper protective gear. Many riders succumb to the temptation of feeling the wind directly on their skin, opting for minimal attire on short trips or hot days. They might think a t-shirt and jeans are sufficient, or that a cheap helmet offers enough protection. This oversight is not merely a fashion statement, it's a gamble with your life and limb, dramatically increasing the severity of injuries in even minor incidents. The road doesn't care if you're just going around the block. The consequences of riding without proper gear are often brutal and unforgiving. Even a low-speed fall can result in severe road rash, broken bones, or head injuries if a helmet isn't worn or is insufficient. Imagine the pain of skin stripped away, the long recovery from fractures, or worse, the irreversible brain damage that can occur when your head hits the pavement unprotected. These aren't abstract fears. They are the grim realities faced by thousands of riders every year who underestimated the importance of their gear. Instead of risking it all, always invest in and wear high-quality protective gear. This includes a DOT/ECE approved full-face helmet, a sturdy riding jacket with armor, riding gloves, proper riding pants or Kevlar jeans, and over-the-ankle boots. Each piece is designed to absorb impact, resist abrasion, and protect vital areas of your body. Think of your gear as your second skin, an essential layer of defense against the unpredictable nature of the road. It's an investment in your future, your health, and your ability to continue riding. Donning your gear isn't a chore. It's a ritual, a crucial step before embarking on any ride, no matter how short. It communicates to others on the road that you are a serious and responsible rider, and it instills a sense of preparedness within yourself. Remember, the asphalt is always harder than your skin, and even the most experienced riders can have an unexpected mishap. Prioritizing your personal safety through proper gear is the smartest decision you can make every time you throw a leg over your bike. Our second absolute no-no is riding under the influence of alcohol or drugs. This isn't just a legal offense, it's a catastrophic lapse in judgment that compromises every aspect of safe motorcycling. Impairment, whether from alcohol, cannabis, or prescription medications that cause drowsiness, severely dulls your reaction time, distorts your perception of speed and distance, and impairs your ability to make sound decisions. The intricate balance and rapid reflexes required to operate a motorcycle simply vanish when your faculties are compromised, turning your bike into a dangerous weapon. The consequences of impaired riding are devastating, far-reaching, and often irreversible. You risk not only your own life, but also the lives of innocent pedestrians, other drivers, and even passengers. A momentary lapse in judgment due to impairment can lead to horrific accidents, permanent injuries, or fatalities. Beyond the immediate physical harm, there are severe legal repercussions, including heavy fines, license revocation, and even imprisonment, which can ruin your future. The emotional toll on families and communities after such an incident is immense. The solution is simple and absolute. If you plan to drink or use impairing substances, do not ride. period. Make alternative arrangements for transportation. Call a taxi, use a ride-sharing service, or designate a sober driver. Your ability to distinguish between a safe decision and a deadly one is the first thing to go when you're impaired, making it impossible to trust your own judgment. Prioritizing sobriety when riding is a testament to your respect for your own life and the lives of everyone else on the road. Making a conscious decision to ride sober is a non-negotiable aspect of responsible motorcycling. It reflects maturity, self-control, and an unwavering commitment to safety. There's no compromise when it comes to riding under the influence. The risks are simply too high, and the potential for tragedy is far too great. Always plan ahead and ensure that your ability to react and make split-second decisions is at its absolute peak, guaranteeing a safe journey for yourself and everyone around you. Third on our list of forbidden actions is riding recklessly or aggressively. This encompasses a range of behaviors moment, turning a pleasant ride into a terrifying ordeal.